I wanted just to start out and ask how you've applied AI agents to your workflows at Lifetime and how it's impacted you.
At Lifetime, it's all about agents in our environment and how we have that meshed into our Dynamics 365 environment. It's either agents that are coming out of the box, like the account reconciliation agent, or it's agents that we're building customized that are helping us at Lifetime.
How has it impacted you? Have you seen impact at Lifetime?
Yeah, in particular, the AI agents have had great impact for about the last 18 months at Lifetime Products. It's created an opportunity for our workforce through a process that we call rebalancing. And what rebalancing is that we will take an AI agent and introduce that digital citizen to do that particular person's job responsibilities. And then after those job responsibilities are done by an AI agent, then those job responsibilities or that full-time employee will be rebalanced to another area of the company. And that's important for us because part of our mission statement is to provide opportunities for our people.
That's wonderful. Well, one of the things I get from customers is an interest in measuring the business value of these AI agents. And I'm curious how you've been able to do that at Lifetime.
In the details of account reconciliation, for example, it's allowed us to be more proactive than reactive. Before account reconciliation, and what we're doing now is we would have to go in every month, look at all these exceptions through an Excel sheet, go back in, do general ledger entries, and so forth, and do that all in a manual process way. This allows us to go in and set up the information that we need, automatically look at exceptions, and be more proactive on the data that needs to be filled monthly. So that's a good example of how we're defining that and using it in the business.
Yeah, that's a great example. Well, I think we're really at the early stages of AI transformation at a lot of companies. And I'm curious, as you think about the future, what do you think the future holds for agents at Lifetime?
We're releasing so many AI agents at Lifetime Products. We can see, in particular, the next couple of years is going to really advance us to having agents talk to agents. So instead of having one agent do a particular position at Lifetime Products, these agents are going to start communicating with each other.
Yeah, yeah, this idea of multi-agent orchestration, agents working with other agents, working with humans, and all of that coming together is yeah, certainly pretty exciting. To that point, as you think about different levels of employees inside your company, from the most senior folks all the way to, people that are just starting, how do they all work with agents and work with AI, or is it reserved only for certain types of employees?
Let me give you some examples of where agents have made impact already at Lifetime Products. So, our sales and retail areas, and I mentioned our AR cash deductions area, logistics and shipping and our traffic areas and expediting parts of our manufacturing company. Those are all areas and those are affecting all levels of our employees with AI agents. So that, just in summary, those are the areas that we have already seen AI agents impact Lifetime Products.
Great. So really across the board, employees are engaging with AI at Lifetime.
Yeah, one of the things that we tend to forget about is D365 out of the box has Copilot in it, right? So it summarizes information for you, which is a level of AI. Users don't necessarily see that or understand that, but they know that they can quickly go to Copilot inside of D365 and gather information like on all sales orders, on accounts receivable side, on the accounts payable side, quickly gather information that they need at a summary level at their fingertips. So that is being used cross company with everybody that uses D365.
That's great. And you've been a great partner and a great customer to Microsoft, and we definitely appreciate the partnership. As you think about other customers that you might meet, I know you've been good advocates. Like, what are some bits of advice that you'd share with somebody considering moving from a legacy ERP solution over to Dynamics and AI? Like, what are some of the things you'd share with those folks?
Brian, I get that question fairly often since Lifetime is so deep into AI agents in the last 18 months or so. I think the bit of advice I would give, or I have given to CIOs or IT leaders is that when you're going from a legacy ERP system to Dynamics 365, you're not just buying a highly configurable ERP system, but you're transforming yourself into an AI ERP system.
I'll just close by saying thank you again, both John and Sinahi, for your time, for your partnership, for betting on Microsoft. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for having it.